I'd say my main mentor growing up was my father. He didn't own a shop or wasn't a mechanic, but we farm and own cattle. A lot of the times when you're farming, you need to be getting stuff done and you don't always have time to go get a part or have someone else come fix your stuff. So we grew up fixing all of our own stuff when I was a kid, saving money that way. I actually graduated high school in 2020 and then just went right to work after high school. Working on the farm and helping out even more than I did when I was a kid made me realize how many more skills that you would need. And it wasn't a year later that I decided to sign on to start in October. I'm taking diesel core here at Wyotech. My specialty is chassis fabrication. Right now I'm working on a 1991 Dodge W250 with 12-valve Cummins in it. It has a 6-inch lift with 37-inch tires. We just call it Big Blue. Now I'm trying to beef up the steering on that pickup, beefing up the frame around the steering gear, and then doing a high steer kit on it. Since I was a kid, I've always liked diesels and black smoke, and when I was a sophomore in high school, I saved up enough money to buy that pickup. And it's always been a little rough around the edges, and I knew it was something I always wanted to try to get around to, but this class was a great opportunity to work on that pickup with the instructors and how much experience that they have. They're definitely a lot of help. There's been a lot of memories that will stick with me for the rest of my life that I've made here at Wyotech. Wyotech has prepared me in a lot of ways when it comes to moving on in life.
Definitely look into Wyotech.
Hands-on, it's good life training.
Good.
They've taught me a lot of skills that I had no idea that I even needed to know or even thought about before coming to this school. After Wyotech, I probably am planning on going back to the farm, and the big end goal in life is to save up enough money and open up my own fabrication shop. So I want to be able to machine all of my own parts. Instead of having to sell a customer a different name brand, I want to be able to stamp my own name on that part.